Hi there, it's Amira with WTI, and today I'm gonna show you what I use to wash my face every single day. So this is the Laboratorios Soothing Micellar Gel. This gel is the one that I use literally every single day to wash my face. I use it in the mornings after I wake up, and I use it at night before I go to sleep. So the skin on my face is very dry. That's why I love to use this gel specifically, because after I remove it, my skin feels like fresh, clean, and it's not itchy. This is what I use to remove my makeup as well. For my eyes, to remove my mascara, I like to apply a little bit of the gel on a cotton ball and then wipe the cotton ball over my eyes, and the makeup comes off easily. I have been using it for more than 4 years now, and I always remove my makeup with this gel. So I highly recommend it if you have dry skin. This is the Laboratories Soothing Micellar Gel. I love to use this like a lot. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.